Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely amazing top of the range. It's the Mercedes GLA. It's the Premium Plus. It's a facelift model with a better grille. It's got front park distance control. It's got a night pack on it, which means everything's practically black on the car. It's got the upgraded multi-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. That's got your black pack there. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control, black rear diffuser, but as you can see it's in absolutely gleaming condition. It hasn't even been valeted yet, it's just been washed off, so this will look amazing. Panoramic roof, tilt and slide, electric tailgate, 4MATIC, so being four-wheel drive as well. And we've got the luggage area in lovely condition, rear parcel shelf, the AMG half leather Alcantara red stitch piping trim, AMG carpet mat still in the car, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric seats, electric memory seats, centre armrest, so it's fully loaded. So just start the car up, keyless entry, keyless start, 82,000 miles, got 3-stage heated seats, DSR, park distance control on and off, all this done through the iDrive, so you've got your satellite navigation, reverse camera and parking sensors, I'll turn them off a minute. So you've got your Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, multifunction steering wheel with, you've got paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to drive it that way, otherwise it's fully automatic. Aux units in there, tilt side pan roof with a blind, just nowhere on it, it just doesn't look like the mileage, as you can see, all the buttons. It's nowhere, absolutely lovely condition. So a DJ8 for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.